guys, this is the 2020 Audi RS7. Going to be doing a review of this car. First of all, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on future videos like this. But let's get started. So this is the variant of the Audi A7 that Audi have been producing. On first impression, it's such a beautiful vehicle. On the exterior it looks like a beast, but interior wise it's absolutely magnificent as well. You're literally cocooned in luxury in this vehicle, and like the other models like the Q7, the Q8 and the A6, they've gone for a full digital center console, so they've ditched all the buttons, and there's literally two screens over here which you can control all the vehicle settings and the temperature and etc. Got the RS badge. Over here you've got the Alcantara. You've got all electronic windows over here as well. The passenger on the rear. These are the mirror settings. Over here you can select the gears. So you've got park, reverse, neutral, drive, and you can manually shift it. And you've got the electronic parking brake. You've got more storage space for two cup holders and a 12 volts charging port, the engine start-stop button, and many of the vehicle settings over here. But the finishing is absolutely second to none. This over here is metal, and over here it's all leather over here with the white stitching. And you've got more storage space when you open this, and you've got the phone charging and memory. I must say that it feels so well built, this vehicle, and the interior is just magnificent. This is the rear of the vehicle, and you can see that it kind of slants down because this is like a coupe kind of saloon. So obviously at the rear you've got slightly less headroom, but overall there's so much space, and you've got the RS logo on the seats, the black leather racing seats with perforated leather, and they're also heated, and you massage as well. And it seats 3 passengers comfortably when this is pulled up. And I've got to say, there's pretty decent legroom as well. And we've also got air vents for the passengers as well. And over here the finishing is all leather as well. Got the Audi steering wheel, a 3-spoke leather steering wheel. And you've got the gear shifters over here to shift down and to shift up. And you've got like indicator settings over here, and things like cruise control and stuff. And these are the pedals over here. It's all metal finishing over here, so it's really so much grip. And the Audi virtual cockpit. And you've got to say, the interior is so elegant, and you know, they've really put a lot of thought and design into this interior.